In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touch to search not working in Google Chrome. If you can't tap on words or text to quickly search them inside Chrome anymore, don't worry. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Once Chrome opens, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, go to Settings. Now scroll down a little and tap on Google Services. Inside this section, look for the option called Touch to Search. If it's turned off, Chrome won't let you quickly search highlighted text from web pages. Simply enable the toggle switch next to it. Right below that, you'll also see another option called Include Surrounding Text in Google Searches. Turn this on as well. This helps Chrome understand the context of the words you're searching for, so you get more accurate and useful search results instead of random matches. Now go back to any web page in Chrome. Press and hold on a word or sentence, and you should instantly see the Touch to Search panel appear at the bottom of the screen. You can tap it to quickly search without leaving the page you're currently viewing.